Good afternoon. Always remember three things when your wife filed domestic violence act against you, 125 CRPC, dowry matter against you. The High Court has given direction to the District Court whenever the family matters come, they should go to the mediation legal aid center. So you can always put an application that you want to go for mediation. And similarly, the other advocate will be advised accordingly, and then both are ready. Then you will go to mediation center where you can put your efforts, and whatever you have problems, you can always explain. If your wife has filed wrong case against you and she has been influenced either by the lawyer or outside party or outside influence, where she has claimed number of cases against you without any reason cause, you can always mention all the details with whatever you have in your mind. If she is harassing unnecessary over petty matters and she is not behaving like a good housewife, then you can always explain that she is not looking after you, your family and your old parents and your kid also. You can always mention, because as per new amendment act, there are a lot of provision. If wife has deserted herself from matrimonial house without any reason and cause and without complaining to the police, then she will not be eligible for maintenance. And if she has filed the maintenance cases and if she is working, she has a lot of money in her bank and she has better status rather than husband, then she is not eligible for maintenance. And if suppose the maintenance is being imposed on you and you are not able to pay, and you can always ask for mediation, and even they force you to that if you don't pay the mediation, then you will go to the jail. So straightway you say that I prefer to going to the jail instead of, because I don't have money, because whatever I'm earning that has gone, and in fighting the matters, and my livelihood is suffering, so I cannot pay. So maybe it is possible that the mediation officer may take a lenient view in your favor, and always restrict the area of the woman's side, and even they can always tell the woman that she should behave properly. If she has better status, better income, then she should not harass her husband so well. So maybe it's possible that the case may go in your favor. So need not to worry, and don't get fear and panic when you have a lot of cases. As per amendment, you can also file a Supreme Court ruling through your lawyer, concerned lawyer, or High Court ruling, where the concerned lawyer will put on a different ruling where there is a lot of provision that you will get relaxed, and you will be released from all these cases very smooth, very easily, without any burden and cost. So chill, need not to worry. Enjoy. If you feel happy and secure and feel this information is very productive, you can like it and share. Who matters? Regards.